Hello everyone, we are from Justicia Squad. Justice for all, together we can. So guys, my name is Rasya Putra Payanggono as a labor union representative, and my partners.
My name is Amanda Lea Tumuna as a business employee.
My name is Jennifer Setiawan as a mediator.
My name is Chalfi Adika as hire manager PT Alpen Food Industry.
And my name is Marsha Fidelia Jalanuntu as employees legal counsel.
Okay guys, in this video we're gonna make a mediation simulation for mid-exam alternative dispute resolution. So let's break it down.
Okay, so now we're gonna explain about our case. So this case about the dispute involving PT Alpen Food Industry began when employees represented by the Indonesian Workers Movement Opinion raised concern about working conditions, employee rights, and alleged violations of labor rights. After bipartite negotiations failed to reach an agreement, the employees organized a strike. Following the strike, the company dismissed several employees who had participated in the action. The employee argued that the dismissal were unfair, while the company maintained that the strike did not comply with the applicable legal procedures and that the dismissal were carried out in accordance with company regulation. As no agreement was reached between the two parties, the dispute was subsequently resolved through Indonesian Industrial Relation Dispute Settlement Mechanism.
Okay guys, from the alternative dispute resolution, in this case we choose mediation process. So what the mediation? Mediation is a dispute resolution process in which a neutral mediator facilitates communication and assists the parties in reaching a mutually acceptable agreement. The mediator has no authority to impose or decide the outcome of the dispute. And so after this, we gonna practice the mediation simulation.
Good morning everyone. I hereby open this mediation session regarding the industrial relation dispute between the employees of PT Alpen Food Industry and the company's management. I have been appointed as the mediator in accordance with Law No. 2 of 2004 concerning industrial relation dispute settlement. Before we begin, I would like to remind both parties that my role is not determine who is right or wrong. My responsibility is to facilitate discussion and help both parties reach a mutually acceptable agreement. Before proceeding, I would like to confirm whether both parties are willing to participate in this mediation in good faith.
Yes, we are willing to participate in good faith.
The company is also willing to participate in this mediation process.
Thank you. Since the bipartite negotiation between the parties failed to reach an agreement, today's mediation is the next step under Indonesian labor law. I now invite the employees' representative to explain the main issues of this dispute.
Thank you, Ms. Mediator. This dispute began when many employees expressed concerns about the company's working conditions. Several workers raised issues regarding working hours, workplace facilities, and protection for female employees. Unfortunately, we believe that these concerns were not adequately addressed by the company. As a result, the employees decided to organize a strike as a way of expressing their concerns. However, shortly after the strike took place, several employees received termination letters. From our perspective, these dismissals create an unfair working environment and damage the relationship between the company and its employees.
Thank you for your explanation. I would now like to hear directly from one of the employees who was dismissed. Could you please share your experience?
Certainly. I had worked for the company for several years. I joined the strike because I want management to listen to our concern. We never intended to harm the company or disrupt its business. We simply hope that our voice will be heard. A few days after the strike, I received a termination letter. I feel that I was not given a fair opportunity to explain my position before the decision was made. Losing my job has been very difficult because I'm responsible for supporting my family. That's why I sincerely hope that
dispute can be resolved fairly. What outcome are you hoping for from today's mediation?
I hope the company will reconsider my dismissal. If reinstatement is no longer possible, then I hope the company will at least fulfill all of my legal rights in accordance with labor regulations.
With your permission, Ms. Mediator, I would like to add a few points. We fully respect the company's right to manage its business operations. However, employment relationship must always comply with labor laws and protect employees' rights. Our objective today is not to create conflict but to encourage constructive dialogue. We hope the company is willing to review its decision regarding the dismissals and work together to restore a healthy industrial relationship.
Thank you. I now invite the company's representative to present the company's position.
Thank you, Ms. Mediator. First of all, the company appreciates every employee's right to express their opinion and concerns. However, we have a different understanding of the event that have been present today. Before the strike happened, the company had already held several discussions with employee representatives in a time to resolve the issues. From the company perspective, the strike did not comply with the applicable legal procedure and it significantly disrupted the company operation.
From our point of view, the strike became necessary because previous discussions failed to produce meaningful solutions for the employees.
We understand that employees have their own preferences, but every decision made by the company, including the termination of employees based on internal procedure and management consideration, the company also denies the allegation that it intentionally ignored employees' rights.
Thank you. It is clear that both parties still have different views regarding the dispute. However, the purpose of mediation is not to argue over who is right or wrong. Instead, it is to explore possible solutions that benefit both parties. I would like to ask the employees' representative first, what are your primary demands?
Okay, our main requests are as follows. The first one, we are asked the company to reconsider the dismissal of employees who participate in the strike. Secondly, we request that the company fulfill all employees' statutory rights in accordance with labor laws. And lastly, we hope the company will improve communication with its employees so that similar disputes can be avoided in the future.
Thank you. So, how does the company respond to this request?
The company is willing to improve communication and strengthen industrial relations moving forward. However, regarding the termination of employment, we maintain that the company decision was made in accordance with applicable procedure.
If the company chooses to maintain its position, we respectfully request that it ensure all employees receive every legal entitlement guaranteed under Indonesian labor law.
We are committed to fulfill any obligation required by applicable laws and regulations.
Thank you to both parties. And after listening carefully to each side, I conclude that significant differences remain regarding the main issues of this dispute. Since no mutual agreement has been reached during this mediation, I will issue a written recommendation as provided under Law Number 2 of 2004. If both parties accept the recommendation, the dispute may be resolved peacefully. However, if neither party rejects the recommendation, the dispute may proceed to the Industrial Relations Court for further legal settlement.
We appreciate today's mediation process and will carefully review the mediator's written recommendation.
The company will also study the recommendation before deciding on our next course of action.
We sincerely hope that whatever decision is taken afterward, it will continue to respect the law and protect the rights and interests of both parties.
Thank you all for your cooperation and professionalism throughout this mediation. I hereby completely clear today mediation session officially concluded.
I hope every industrial dispute can be resolved through dialogue and mutual understanding.
A healthy relationship between employees and employees is responsibility of both parties.
Open communication is the key to preventing future conflicts.
Every right and obligation should always be exercised in accordance with the law.
Thank you for your participation. This mediation session is now adjourned.
Okay guys, so that the result of our case, the mediation was not successful because that employees and the company were unable to reach a mutual agreement. So the mediator issued a written recommendation in accordance with Law Number 2 of 2004. Since the dispute remained unresolved, the case could proceed to the Industrial Relations Court for further legal settlement. Okay guys, that's all from our mediation simulation. Thank you guys. See you.